大家好，我是英英老师。Welcome to Learn Chinese with 英英。In our previous lesson, we've learned a super common Chinese radical, that is a square. And we've learned how to read, write, and remember these 5 words. If you haven't watched the video, you can find the link in the description box. But if you have already watched the video and you want to check your learning, this is the video for you. Well, could you please match the word with its meaning? You can pause here while you are doing it. If you are done, let's check the answer. The first word is 囧. It means embarrassing. It looks like an embarrassing face, isn't it? And the second word is 困. It means be stranded. This is the word 回. It means return. Next word is 囚. It means prisoner. The last word is 因. It means reason. If you are ready to challenge yourself even more, let's go to the next one. So can you write the Chinese character according to the pronunciation and the picture? Well, if you are done, let's write the word together. The first word is 囚. It means prisoner. The second word is 回. It means return or widening. Next one is 困. A tree in a square. It means be stranded. So how about these two? Can you write it? So the first one is 因. The word big inside a square. It means reason. While this one is 囧. It means embarrassing. While the word itself looks like an embarrassing face, isn't it? So how's it going? Please leave them in the comment below. And if you have any other questions or there are anything you want to learn, please leave them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。